The past 1 year has been knowledge-driven and enlightening for IIT Kharagpur Alumni Association Kolkata, with some of the finest events being organized by the chapter, adding values to its members and the society at large. The AGM with annual dinner was organized at the Freemasons Lodge on 7 December 2014. With the atmosphere of Masonic architecture along with the warm gathering of old college buddies, and with sumptuous dinner, selective drinks and music, the event was an instant hit. The event was addressed by the then current president Srimati Sujata Roy, followed by an audio-visual presentation of past year's events, and the treasurer presented the accounts. In acknowledgement of the great work done and enthusiasm infused by the current president Srimati Sujata Roy, she had been unanimously requested to continue further for 2014-15. The new governing committee was declared by Mr. Aniruddha Roy. The program was concluded by the mesmerizing music of a young band over dinner and cocktails. The first and the most important event post AGM was IIT Kharagpur Alumni Association's mega event for 2014-15 Iteration Nation Building, a half-day event supported and partnered by the Telegraph's TTU and the Heritage Group of Institutions on 7th of January 2015. With more than 425 students of 9th to 12th standards participating from more than 15 schools across Kolkata and South Bengal, as far as from the deep interiors of the Sundarbans. It was a great success. The event was targeted to provide a platform for discussing and analyzing the right way to choose careers after school. Our success had been shared and supported by our honored sponsors Tata Steel, Niyogi Technologies and Research Private Limited and Anthonian Technology Private Limited. The event was inaugurated by the President and welcome address was given by the Director of IIT Kharagpur, Professor Partho Protim Chakraborty, who touched the deep recess of students' hearts by speaking to them in their language. Then the chief guest's address was delivered by Professor Narendra K. Jaggi from Illinois Wesleyan University, who made the entire audience mesmerized with his philosophy in education. From students to teachers to retired professionals, all were overwhelmed by his teaching of differentiation from doing well in life to doing good in life. Finally, a panel discussion was held on career development the right way, with 7 panelists from different trades of life and 2 moderators, following which the floor was opened for an extremely interesting session of questions and answers. The event was widely covered by the Telegraph, Times of India and the Hindu. The first in the series of Alumni Engage starting this year was event on 3D printing organized at the conference hall of the Salt Lake campus on 14 March 2015, launched as monthly series with the objective of engaging more alumni among themselves, helping the young ones to network and get mentored, while the senior ones to be able to share their knowledge and experience to the benefit of the young. The event was conducted by Mr. Sumant Bhutoria, founder and CEO of Alphatech Systems and a 2002 batch pass out from IIT KGP. A number of 3D printed parts were on display so as to get a first-hand experience of the quality and precision. The same month saw a second event with the visit of the governing body of IIT Kharagpur Alumni Association Kolkata to the Raj Bhavan Kolkata on 27th March 2015 to meet the Honorable Governor of West Bengal, Sri Keshari Nath Tripathi. The team updated the Honorable Governor on the activities of the association, proposing our intentions to work for the society with the help from the government. The Honorable Governor was informed on the propositions on rainwater harvesting, developing gadgets for the differently abled individuals of the society, and preserving the architectural heritage of Kolkata, which are not declared as heritage buildings. The meeting was concluded with a positive note, and the Honorable Governor expressed his intentions to take the discussion forward. The meeting was followed by a historic tour of the Raj Bhavan, and the entire team went back by 2 centuries in the presentation made by our guide, witnessing one of the greatest colonial architecture in India. As a major value to the members of our association and their family, Birla Heart Research Center graciously hosted the second Alumni Engage program held at their auditorium on 11th April 2015 with speaker Dr. Anjan Siotia, consultant cardiologist, and Dr. Anirban Karmakar of BM Birla Heart Research Center speaking on cardiac awareness and basic lifestyle training. Both the presentations were very powerful as Dr. Siotia provided a PPP for cardiac awareness and Dr. Karmakar explained with a dummy and practical demonstrations. The third event of Alumni Engage was on intellectual property and intellectual property rights held on 9th of May 2015 at the conference hall of IIT Kharagpur campus, Salt Lake, with speakers Utsav Banerjee and Pranay Agarwal of IPANTZ. It focused on monetizing of inventions and creativity and bringing them under property rights ownership by an individual. The speakers explained the difference between copyright, brand and patent, and how the laws regarding the protection of their rights worked, what the subtle difference in the laws were, their applicability and their differences over the globe. Many relevant queries were asked in the interactive session for pragmatic purpose. The change of leadership happened in May with Srimati Sujata Roy passing the baton to Mr. Vipin Popat as president, while she had been appointed as the vice president of IIT Kharagpur Alumni Foundation, India. Ms. Alkananda Rao, alumnus of IIT Kharagpur, delivered an excellent and professional talk as the 4th Alumni Engage program on project management, underlining her status as a consultant in this field on 13th of June 2015 at the conference hall of the IIT Kharagpur campus, Salt Lake. Ms. Rao, sharing loads of knowledge in this field, informed the audience about PMI and their project management body of knowledge, PMBOK, offering globally recognized certifications like PMP and CAPM. We Can was an exclusive event and 5th in line of Alumni Engage this year. Was held at the conference hall of the Army Institute of Management, Alipur, with Mr. Virendra Jaitley, our IIT Kharagpur Alumni Foundation president, as the speaker. The uniqueness of the program was that the freshers of the Army Institute also availed the benefit of the talk. Mr. Jaitley's speech was highly motivating and enthusiastic as it focused the youth towards positive thinking. The event was a huge success and was possible only with the support of Major General S.C. Jain. With 7 great events, the IIT Kharagpur Alumni Association Kolkata had a happening year. It was possible with a lot of time and support of its members and the governing body. IIT Kharagpur Alumni Association Kolkata thanks its members, governing body, advisors and mentors, and most importantly, IIT Kharagpur for all its support and inspiration. We conclude this year with hope for a more happening year ahead.